That's the bulb right there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the trunk, press the button right over there, open the trunk. Now we need to get this fabric cover off. For that, there's two clips. One, I'm missing the clip, but I'm going to show you how to take that clip off. That's one, and then there's a second clip right over there. For this, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Just get the screwdriver and pry the middle part off a little bit, and then you can just get the entire clip off. There it is. And for the clip that I'm missing, all the other clips over there too are of the same type. So this is the way you do it. Get the screwdriver, get the middle part out a little bit, and then you can just get the entire clip off. There you go. Now you can peel this fabric cover back, and that gives us access over there, but we cannot access the bulbs from here. For that, we have to take the light out. For that, you need to take those two nuts off, and for that you will need to get an 8mm socket ratchet combination or an 8mm wrench. Either one of them works. The socket ratchet is easier though. Just get both the nuts out and keep them somewhere safe. Now you cannot just push those studs to get the light off. You need to get a hammer. Don't worry, this is the way it works. It just looks scary, but it's not. Just get a hammer and start hammering on the studs. And it's gonna take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. But it's gonna come off. There you go, 1 and 2. Let's look at it from a different angle, and the light just pops off. At this point, you can just grab the light and take it out. Now that's a side marker light right there. The way to access the bulb is behind it. Yep, that's the one for it. All you have to do is just grab it and twist to the left to loosen it a little bit, and now it's loose. Now it should just come right out. That's the bulb right there. Just grab the bulb and pull it off straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is W5W or 168 or 194. It's all the same. Just get the new bulb, align with the bulb holder there, push it down to secure it. And now when you put the bulb holder back into the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. It needs to just drop in like this. Yep, see how it just goes in? Once it's sitting flush like this, just twist it right to lock it and you're done. Align the light this way and just get it in position. This is where you have to be careful. You have to make sure that it sits flush with the body, that this edge is not sticking out, because there's a clip over there. Just push the light in. Let's look at it again. See, it's good, it's not sticking out, and that's what your light should look like. At this point, just put those two nuts back on and let's tighten them down. Repeat the process for the other one, and let's put the fabric cover back in its place. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out when you're putting it back in. So get it in position, push it, and push the middle part in. Same process for the other clip. Just get it in position this way, and then push the middle part in to secure it. And that's it. Hope you found the video useful.